This is going to blow your mind. Want to nail your first day back at school? Let's do this. First things first, get a good night's sleep. No one likes a sleepy head on day one. And don't forget a healthy breakfast. Think of it as fuel for your brain. Next, pack your bag the night before. Trust me, last-minute panic isn't a good look. Be sure to include all your supplies and maybe a snack or two. Dress comfortably but confidently. Your best outfit should make you feel like you, not a fashion show reject. Now here's a pro tip. Make a little cheat sheet with your schedule. It's like having a map in a new city. You'll thank me later. Finally, remember to smile and say hi to new people. Everyone's in the same boat, and a friendly face can make someone's day. There you have it. Follow these tips, and you'll be the king or queen of the schoolyard in no time. Go get 'em, champ.